Hello everyone, I am Dr. Geetanjali. I am a homeopathic doctor. I have been practicing homeopathy in Mumbai since last 25 years. I have my clinic in Mulund West. I also practice at Andheri Lokhandwala. A branch of my clinic, Sri Raghavendra Clinic, is there in Sangli also. At our clinic, Sri Raghavendra Clinic, we also provide online consultation to patients residing in different parts of Mumbai, different parts of India, and also we provide online consultation to patients residing abroad in countries such as US, UK. Consultation is done online and then medicines are couriered to your place of residence according to rules and regulations of the particular country. Today I am here to share my reviews about balanced diet. Have a balanced diet, strengthen your immunity. It's almost 1 year, but still the corona pandemic is still there. More and more people are getting infected with coronavirus disease. So it is necessary to strengthen your immunity. If your immunity is strong, you don't have to bother about any viral infections. So what exactly is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet which contains adequate amounts of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals in your diet. Fruits are rich in fiber, fruits are rich in vitamin C, apples are rich in vitamin C, fiber and antioxidants. Apples are low on glycemic index also. Fruits like berries and grapefruit are rich in vitamin C. Oranges are also rich in vitamin C. I would suggest that one should have at least 1 to 2 servings of fruits daily, 1 to 2 servings of salads daily, so that you can remain healthy and fit. You can buy any fruits which you like according to your budget. It is not necessary that you have to buy expensive fruits. All fruits are nutritious. So you can buy any fruits and have them. Even diabetics can have fruits without having the fear of the blood glucose levels going up. In fact, if diabetic patients can have 1 to 2 fruits daily and 2 types of salads daily, it will help them to normalize their blood glucose levels. If you observe the traditional diet in every religion is a balanced diet. For example, Maharashtrian diet, we have a little quantity of salt, then there's a piece of lemon which is rich in vitamin C. Chutney is made of different types of dals. Flaxseed chutney is very nutritious. It helps to normalize your blood glucose levels. It helps to build up your good cholesterol and reduce your bad cholesterol. So if you have 1 tablespoonful of flaxseed chutney, is very nutritious. Then we have koshambir. Koshambir is nothing but salads, which is rich in folic acid and vitamins. Then chapati and bhaji. Chapati is carbohydrate, bhaji is vegetables. Vegetables are full of nutrients. Then rice, varan bhat, or that is rice and dal or amti. Rice is carbohydrates, amti or dal varan is proteins. And then we end with curd and rice. So 2 tablespoonful of curds contains vitamin B12. So if you are vegetarian, then you should have at least 2 tablespoonful of curds daily. And also varan bhat or rice and dal is never had without ghee. We always put little ghee on rice before having it. So what the basic concept is, what you should have a balanced diet and not to skip any of the components, whether it is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins. Little amount of fat is also necessary. So whichever religion you follow, whichever traditional diet is there, it is a balanced diet. If you see Punjabi diet, Punjabis have chole, rajma, which is rich in proteins, jeera rice, rich in carbohydrates, raita is salads. And Gujarati diet, if you follow, methi thepla, undio, these are all very nutritious food items. So it is whatever you have been eating since childhood, you should follow that. But nowadays what happens, people are going to office and they can't carry all these food items. So they skip majority of the food items and what they carry is chapati and vegetables. And most of the people avoid having rice in the afternoon. I have been hearing people say that they feel sleepy or drowsy if they have curd rice or dal rice in the afternoon. But you will feel sleepy if you have large quantity of rice. If you have little rice, I don't think you'll feel sleepy. In fact, you'll feel more energetic, and there will be a feeling of satiety. So don't ever skip rice in your afternoon meal. See that you consume little rice in the afternoon. And dinner can be light. You can have anything which you wish to. A light dinner you can have. But your breakfast and afternoon meal should be a complete meal. Certain tips which I would like to give you to stay healthy in this COVID pandemic. First of all, perform exercises regularly, perform yoga regularly. If you are not performing yoga, if you are performing any other physical activity, see that you give some time for meditation, because healthy mind is very important. If your mind is healthy, then you remain healthy. If you are healthy, then you remain happy. If you are not healthy, then some health issues will always keep on bothering you. So you should keep your mind also healthy. Then have a balanced diet. Third thing is see that you listen to good music. Relax your mind at the end of the day. Listening to good music will make you feel really happy, and the feel good hormones called endorphins are released. See that you take at least 7 hours of sleep. If you don't take 7 hours of sleep, you will observe early morning when you get up, you will not feel fresh and energetic. You will not able to focus on your work. And otherwise, if you have good sleep, you will realize that you feel very energetic and very enthusiastic to do the work. So see that you have 7 hours of sleep. And other thing is see that you give some time for prayers. Pray to God in the morning to have a lovely day. Pray to God at night, thanking Him for all the good things you had in the day. And in case you come in contact with a person suffering from coronavirus disease, you feel that you had come in contact with a person and who has tested positive, don't panic. Just observe yourself for 14 days. If possible, quarantine yourself for 14 days. If you have really come in contact with that person, it is for the good of yourself and for the good of others. Watch out for any signs and symptoms of coronavirus disease. Do gargling regularly. Take steam daily. Have hot vegetable soups. And if you find some symptoms of coronavirus disease, contact your doctor immediately. Check your oxygen saturation levels and contact your doctor online immediately. There are many good homeopathic remedies if you are suffering from coronavirus disease. If your oxygen levels are very low, then it is better that you get hospitalized. Otherwise, along with your regular allopathic treatment, you can continue with homeopathic medicines also. You can consult a doctor online and start a homeopathic treatment also for coronavirus disease. So stay healthy, stay happy.